So as chairman, obviously, a large part of your role is being the public face of the company in the city and helping to arrange financing. So particularly with institutions. So what is the role of institutions in Phoenix Copper? Obviously, you've got a very loyal retail shareholder base, but on the institutional side, what can you tell us about that?
Yeah, we're very lucky, as you said, to have some very loyal long-term shareholders who've been in since we were a private company. And you can't grow, you can't create a company like this with institutional investors at the early stage, because most institutions are not allowed to buy anything with a market cap of less than £50 million, and some institutions have much higher thresholds than that. So it's very hard when you're starting off with a market value of less than £10 million to get institutional money in. And also, people don't research small companies unless you pay them to write research, which is quite expensive when you're a tiny company. So it's difficult to get going. Now our market cap is comfortably above £50 million, and we're a bit closer to going into production. We do have several institutional shareholders who have been looking at us for some time and came in on the last fundraise. And we've got people like Canaccord, that's the Hargreave Hale microcap fund. We've got people like Premier Miton and Edale Capital, to name a few. And what's very good about having shareholders like that is that they, unlike retail investors who tend to buy their holding in one go and sit on it, a lot of institutions have cash coming into their funds on a monthly or quarterly basis, and they tend to add to their existing holdings, and that creates a much smoother ride for us. And our shares have been behaving rather better of late than they were 2-3 years ago.